Unlock the power of data retrieval and manipulation within Qlik Sense by mastering the index function and transforming your data analysis. First, let's understand what the index function does. It searches within a string or a field's values for a specific substring or character and returns the starting position of that substring. To use it practically, open your Qlik Sense app and load your data. Then, in the script editor, create a new field using the load statement and apply the index function to a text field, like product names, to find the position of a specific character or a substring. You can take it further by creating calculated dimensions. Use the index function within the expression of a dimension to categorize data based on the position of certain characters. For instance, you could group products based on whether they contain a specific ingredient listed at a particular location in the product name. You can also create calculated measures by combining the index function with other functions like if or substring. You can calculate metrics based on patterns within your data strings. For example, you might calculate average sales for products containing a specific substring at a specific position. Remember, the index function is case-sensitive and returns 0 if the substring is not found. Experiment with different characters and fields to fully grasp its capabilities in data analysis.